have reviewed a couple wigs in this style on my channel before, and all of them I always love. As you can see, this one here is no different. You do get the 2 combs. It is a full wig. You do not get a comb in the back, but you do get those adjustable straps in case you need that to secure it. What I end up doing with this wig, and I'm showing you here why I have the upside down, is I took it out of the bag and I left it upside down for like overnight. The reason I did that is because I wanted the curls to fall naturally, and I didn't want to have to pull on them too much, because I wanted the hair to stay in the state in which it came, which is the natural ringlets, or I would like to say the locks. I know some people get offended when you say dreadlocks. That's just what the name of the wig is, but to make it be in those locks or those tight curls. If you want to have that look and make it look effortless, just put it on the mannequin head upside down so that gravity will push the curls the other way. So when you go to put it on right side up, the curls will fall and they will be effortless, you know, really nice, and you don't have to pull them out. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just showing you that you can put the wig on either side. Obviously it doesn't come with lace. That's going to be a pro for some people and a con for others, but it is a full wig, and you can kind of just like make a faux part on either side. That is the middle. If you want, you can pull it straight down the middle and do it, you know, puff it out on both sides. This wig is a throw and go. We natural girls, underneath all this hair, underneath whatever we got going on, love us a throw and go. If you love throw and goes, if you love natural hair, wigs like these, girl, you need one in your wardrobe.
This hair is so lightweight. Like, I was expecting it to feel a bit heavy because it's so full, but none of that. So the construction is your basic standard headband wig with the combs at the front. And also, one thing I noticed about this unit is because the cap size fit my head so well, styling it up in a bun or this half up half down style wasn't really that much of a hassle, because it wasn't moving anywhere, and I only use 1 comb, which is at the back, so that is a plus.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.
You got superpowers. Turn my minutes into hours. You got more than 20/20, babe. Made a glass the way you see through me. You know me better than I do. Can't seem to keep nothing from you. How you touch my soul from the outside. Permeate my ego and my pride. Love me that you love me. Ooh. For all of my pretty and all of my ugly too. I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me the way that you trust me. Oh, 'cause nobody ever loved me like you do. I love from your point of view.